And where else but to the National Stadium, because the first record of the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Championships was broken in the Class 3 Boys 1500 meters as Kingston College's Julius Etibo was in superb form, lowering his own record at the National Stadium on day 2 of the championships. Jermaine Brown tells us more.
Now, the first record has been broken at the 2026 staging of the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. The outstanding Julius Etibo of Kingston College breaking his own record in the Class 3 Boys 1500 meters with a time of 4 minutes 00.76, breaking his previous record set last year when he ran 4 minutes 05.15. On the boys' side, O'Dane Noble of Kingston College, the long jump Class 2 boys, winning that event, leaping 7.18 meters to win ahead of Tyshawn Edwards of Calabar, 7.02 meters, and Ronaldo Faulkner of St. Jago, 6.79 meters. And on the girls' side, the shot put Class 2 girls was won by Jamaica Young of Clarendon College, 14.71 meters. Shamanda Wilmot of Homewood Technical took the silver, 14.29 meters, and Alyssa Forrest of Excelsior took the bronze, 14.22 meters. Of course, the finals of the 100 meters to come, and we had some cracking semi-finals earlier. The top qualifiers on the girls' side, Shania Douglas, the world under-20 bronze medalist over 200 meters, 11.17, fastest qualifier from Class 1. For Class 2, Carol Etienne of Edwin Allen came through 11.42. In Class 3, Azaria Harris of Alpha, well, she was the fastest qualifier at 11.79. Of course, the battle lines have been drawn and some outstanding times are expected this evening on day 2 of the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. Reporting from the National Stadium, I am Jermaine Brown for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Jermaine, for that very comprehensive report from the National Stadium. Now, organizing champs is no small feat. It is a massive undertaking with an important cog in the wheel being the officials. Details in this report.
According to Meet Director at ISSA, Anthony Davis, one critical official is a technical manager, as they have responsibility for everything that goes out on the track and the field.
The shot put, the javelin, the discus, they are the ones who carry them out. It's not just carry them out, they have to check the weight, they have to check the diameter and make sure it meets the requirement. The arcs that you see in the middle of the field, they are the ones who lay out the arcs, because it's a part of the rule that the arc has to be at a certain angle. And then there's a line if there's a record, so you can easily see if an effort has broken a record because of the line in the field.
But to get things going at the championships on the track, the officials so often face great scrutiny is the starting team.
In the starting team, you have starter's assistant, you have start coordinator, you have recall starters, and you have the starter. The starter is the one who goes up on the rostrum and actually fires the gun to start the race. The recall are starters who stand on the ground, who if there is a false start, then they will fire a second time, and it's accepted that you stop and you come back.
Now, oftentimes after an event, athletes may be disqualified. However, there is nothing to the naked eye that may have indicated that an infraction had occurred. But there is a particular referee who has the authority to make a disqualification.
The video referee watches every race. So sometimes they may pick up something that the on-field referee haven't seen. They may believe they see something and they have the benefit of replaying the race to see what happened. The live track umpire can't replay. So what could very well happen is, in some cases, you may not see a yellow flag, but hear of a disqualification. Right? And that is because the video referee picked up something.
However, disqualification isn't the end of it.
The coach or the manager or the athlete can protest. So what they do is they write a protest, submit it, and then that will end up going to the jury, right, if they figure that they have not been dealt with fairly. Now, once the jury has made a ruling, there's no further appeal.
And there are also 2 units called the Technical Information Center.
They issue field passes. They also issue the results, sign off on the results. If there's a protest, it comes to them. They log it, they pass it on, and then they circulate the results to everyone.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.